Today I'm going to talk to you about Christmas gifts and stocking stuffers for that squeaky clean person in your life. The first thing I want to mention is microfiber mops and cloths. Now I've been searching for years, as a lot of you are aware, for a quality microfiber that I can recommend to you. Finally have some, found it. It not only has a great head, it has a telescoping handle so you can mop at shoulder height. It has a dust mop and the wet heads too, and it is fabulous. No chemicals required to clean with it, only water. Now, let me tell you too, I did put a link up on queenofclean.com, and I have links on everything in case you want to find it and get it for somebody, but these are awesome. And the microfiber cloths, look at that, 16-inch microfibers. These have been washed multiple times. They aren't all wrinkled up and ruined. They are fabulous. So this is a real winner. Now, I want to talk to you about your pets, because one of the questions I get so frequently is, oh my gosh, the cat had an herbage, the spaghetti didn't agree with the dog or whatever. I have a cat like that. She eats too fast and then she gets sick. It's not sickness, it's just her tummy won't hold what she ate. I found this bowl. Now I know it looks bizarre, but it is invented by a vet, and all you do is sprinkle their food into the bowl, shake it down. They eat slowly because they have to get into the nooks and crannies. Since I've been using this bowl, which has been about 6 weeks, we have not had one problem at all. Now, this you can get on Amazon, and I did put a link on so you can find it, but I'm telling you, this thing is great, and they make them for dogs too. Now, you've been asking me about bed bug finders. They're back in stock. I know you guys have been cleaning your houses, getting your beds stripped down and put back together in guest rooms, and now's the time to get rid of the bed bug finders. Find them before they find you. It finds them, it traps them so you know you have them, and then you can eradicate them before they become an infestation. Now, the Vacuum Flex we talk about a lot because it will turn your vacuum into a sucking machine, and it is so awesome that I actually sucked a ring out of my drain with it. And it's all the attachments you need. The cups make it fit any vacuum in your home, including wet dry vacs. Great for dad in the garage or the shop. Now, you're looking at the bucket going, I'm not too sure about getting a bucket for somebody, but if you have somebody who has a motor home like my kids do, look at this. It is totally, whoops, let me get the thing out of here, collapsible, like that. And then when you want to use it, you just push it back out and you've got a bucket. Now, why is it good for a motorhome? Well, obviously it doesn't take any space out at all. Family, friends will love it, and I know if you move the handle away when I didn't, you'll have a much better job using it. And guys, think about some great little gloves for the family, gardening gloves, rubber gloves, and the baseboard buddy for anybody who wants to clean their baseboards standing up. You can clean them dry or wet, and it's great. Remember, go to queenofclean.com for a printable copy of everything. Check me out at Real Queen of Clean and Real Queen of Clean on Instagram and Facebook. And thanks for talking dirty with